Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I lay and slay with this two-piece bun set. Alright you guys, so let me show you adjustable straps, hair bow, wig cap. Alright, as you can see, this wig has the cap underneath. The little mesh makes the part look more natural. This is the lace here, which is Swiss lace. I'm going to actually spray it on my hand, but got to be glued so you guys can see how invisible this lace is. Spray down, and then we're gonna put the lace right over it, and you see how well it's blending right here. And then if you do not want to use like got to be glue spray or whatever, and you want to do like a glueless method, you can, because see, here's the lace that's still on this wig, and I'm gonna wet it. Or if you want to do it more so like a glueless method, and it's still gonna lay flat to your skin. Okay, so I'm going to do this style here. So I'm going to do this. And I'm just going to style it really quick using my got to be glue spray. And again, this is Swiss lace. And this is actually where that cap underneath starts. And to make the process easier for me, I just like to section out my hair. Yeah, y'all see that hairline? This my She Is Bun wax stick. Okay, let me show you the difference in the hairline. See here? Without the lace. With the lace. And I'm cutting but like kind of pulling it so that it'll be not a straight line. And make sure you swoop it behind your ear so you can make sure it fits. See? This wig fit me perfectly. And now I'm gonna glue it down. Alright, let's see how long this part is. Give me a long. Alright, so now I have my long, deep part. I'll go ahead and do my two little mini buns. Okay, so I seen this trick on TikTok. You take your wax stick and you put that on first, then comb it up, then you add your heat, and then you add your holding spray. Boom, no lumps. Alrighty. Alright, I need to cut this a little bit because they are too long. Okay, so I did my two little bangs a little shorter this time. I think that's really cute. And I like how it looks down like two ponytails, but I'm gonna go ahead and add them to a bun. I love it. Deep parting space, invisible knots. The hair is already curled. That's nice. Alright, so this is how it looks curled, but I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it. Straight, curl. Okay, all straightened. So soft and silky. Alright you guys, so that's all for this video. Definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look. Yeah, close enough.